Hi, I'm Dan Hagedorn, Vice President of IMI Innovations, and we're here today at Gearwire Studios to introduce our brand new product from our Input Logic Media division called Mob Drums. Mob Drums is a complete software-based solution to many things that a musician would love to be able to do. A working DJ, an aspiring DJ can use this product, or even if you're just part of the whole iPod generation where you listen to music day and night, you can now join in the music using two hands. No more sitting at a computer with one hand. Our core technology allows you to really get into it and do things that you could do previously only with standalone drum machines, standalone DJ equipment, and you're going to see the world's premiere of Mob Drums today. So let's get started, show you how easy it is to use Mob Drums. Let's click on the icon here for a moment. It comes up automatically with a wonderful display and graphic. Okay? You simply move your first mouse, comes onto the screen as you would expect it to. But with our technology, you bring in the second cursor, and now you are doing two things at once. How cool is this, huh? Check this out. Move around, do whatever you'd like to do, okay? So, whether it's open and close hi-hats, kick and snare, crash cymbal and another DJ sound, whatever you'd like to do, it's all here for you in Mob Drums. We're going to get a lot more into detail with the help of our product specialist, Luke Jaskowiak. So here's Luke to bring you all the exciting details of Mob Drums.
Hi, I'm Luke Jaskowiak, and I'm a product specialist for Input Logic Media. Today I'll be demonstrating Mob Drums, an amazing interface that enables 5 or more inputs to be used independently. When I open Mob, the application senses which hand I'm using. When I move my right hand, a right virtual hand appears, and when I move my left hand, a left virtual hand appears. You also have the availability of a kick mouse, and this basically means you can be playing 3 things at once. Other available inputs include the computer keyboard or an external MIDI device. Using 2 hands is easy on Mob. The application lights up to show you where you are, and you can actually drum by holding down the inside button on your mouse and drawing shapes. We call this drag and play. You can draw zeros, you can draw figure 8s, you can draw with 2 hands, you can play with a mouse and a keyboard, you can play with a keyboard and a MIDI device. You can do anything with Mob Drums. So now I'm going to change it up a little bit. I'm going to load in a different kit, and voila, that's as easy as it is. We have new sounds now. And not only can you bring in new sounds, but you can customize all these different pads with graphics.
Yo, 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 yo.
You can customize graphics to any pad. You can put anything anywhere.
Yo, yo. Yo.
Now let's look at the general surface of Mob Drums. At the top here you have the upper rack, and then in the middle here you have the drum pads, and then lower here in the bottom left you have the Properties tab. Now back up here in the rack we have a transport with recording and playback features as well as a click track. You also have a drum files button which lets you see which samples you have loaded into the kit. You have a kit button which lets you load and save kit. You have a mixer which lets you control the volume and the pan of every individual sample, as well as it shows you the MIDI note number of each individual sample. Now let's get under the hood of Mob Drums. The audio tab of the Properties page lets you choose your audio device, your sample rate, your channels, the volume. It also allows you quick access to the Windows mixer and the ASIO control panel. The MIDI sync page lets you choose your MIDI input and output device, your drum kit, allows you to change your metronome, tempo, and volume, and allows you to control your quantizing. The devices page is where the magic of having multiple inputs really comes into play. You can change everything there. The samples page allows you to load and save kit and load last kit on startup, and it also shows you the supported file types, which is mono and stereo waves, wave loops, and MP3s. The About page lets you see some of the details of Mob Drums, as well as gives you access to a help file. Mob Drums is always evolving. Users will get free internet updates, as well as matched mice and content. This is just one of a remarkable group of independent multiple input applications from Input Logic Media.
So by now, I'm sure you can see why we're so excited about our first new product from Input Logic Media, Mob Drums. It'll come to you in a wonderful package. It includes 2 free mice and the disc. You pop it in, and you're playing music right now. Okay, you can see how this can benefit the average musician to just the hobbyist. Find it at your local dealer or contact us at inputlogicmedia.com for all the details. Enjoy. Thank you.